In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset your saved input device settings on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit button up in the toolbar, and then go down and select Preferences. On the left side, you want to go underneath Input Devices. Just go ahead and select that. And then on the right side here, you want to select where it says Reset Saved Input Devices to Default Values. Go ahead and select that. Select OK. And then when you relaunch GIMP next time, it will reset those settings. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.